Good morning, everyone. I report from Just Curiosities, and new studies show that ghosts can tell if someone is feeling happy or stressed. And some studies and suggest that dog know how will feel and when we're sick and will smell different where your sick and emotion change and the can easily records the change and dogs can detect some types of cancer of the person and six they have million of nerves in their brain that allow them their perceived change and in your body and one first. So don't forget that the dog is your best friend and your doctor. Has Blade Acevedo. See you the next day.